back again. I'm back with bleached hair and no braces. And this is a newer video. This isn't the video I just shot before this was back in December, and that was a long time ago, but I never edited the video or uploaded it. But I uploaded it. I don't know if you guys liked it, but here's a new video. I have some stuff from Tactics. And yeah, I'm gonna get straight to the unboxing right now. So yeah, I have some new ideas coming in because I have this unboxing, which is one video. I'm gonna do a setup video because I got a board in here, and yeah, I got some videos coming up, so stick in for that. So first thing I see in here are two Tactics stickers, black Tactics stickers, and my shoes. Are some shoes, Adidas. These are pretty sick. They're the Booznits 8.5. The Volks. Pretty badass. I like them. Like burgundy color. Those are pretty cool. My first pair of Adidas. Both. So yeah, I have those. Pretty badass. And what else I ordered? Free Jessup grip tape. Allen head, hella tight P-Rod hardware with the gold bolt. Pretty sick. And the last thing is the board. 775 Enjoy skateboard with the green ply on top. Pretty sick. I just really like white decks, how they look, so I thought I'd buy my first one. This is a pretty cool one. 40 bucks. Not too shabby. And that's it for the theme. So I'll give you guys another look of the board. So it's pretty sick. I've never skated a Enjoy board, but here's my first one. And then I got that hardware. Now let's check out these shoes on my feet. They come with white laces, extra white laces, but I'm really digging these red ones, so I'm gonna leave those on there. They're pretty sick shoes. I heard every time you buy Adidas, you should always go a half size above your actual shoe size, because they're really slim. And yeah, I'm a size 8, and these are size 8.5, and they fit perfect. Pretty sick. They feel pretty cool. So yeah, check these out. They're pretty sick. Let's put them in the sun right now. They're pretty badass. I love that color. It looks sick. So yeah, those are those shoes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll try to get more videos in soon because I'm on summer vacation and I was really busy with school, but now I'm not, so I'll try to get more videos in for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and yeah, stick around, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe. Peace.
And I may be a little arrogant, I'm aware of it, I know. I got a problem, I'ma take care of it. Weight I'm carrying, gotta let it go. Made a promise to my mama that I'll bless her with some grandkids.